indexOf. This method will return first occurrence of specified character in a string. Okay, let's see an example first. Console.log string.indexOf. Let's give text. This will return specified character position, index position, yeah, which is 9. Let's see. Let's save the file first. Reload. Yes, it's returning 9, which is index of specified character. Let's see another example. Console.log string.indexOf. This time we'll keep text in a lowercase. And refresh here. This time we got -1 because this one is key sensitive, and if the text is not found, it will return -1. Let's see lastIndexOf. This method will return index of last occurrence for the specified text in a string. Okay, let's see an example. Console.log string.lastIndexOf. Let's give u. This will return specified character position. Let's see. Yes, it's returning specified character position. This one also will return -1 if the text is not found. This method will convert all the string to lowercase. Console.log string.toLowerCase. Let's save and refresh. Can you see all the character changed to lowercase? If you want, change all the character to uppercase. There is also no function. Console.log string.toUpperCase. Let's save and refresh. This will return all the character to uppercase. This method used to check whether a string contains another string. I show an example. Console.log string.includes. Let's give channel. This will return true if the given character found in the string. Okay, let's see the result. Reload the page. It's returning true. Please note, this one is case sensitive. If you give all the character in a lowercase, it will return false. Let's see the result. See, it's returning false. Now let's see about length. Length property will return the number of characters in a string. Let's see an example. Console.log and string dot length. Okay, let's save it and reload here. Now you can see there are 29 characters in the string. This one is to join two or more strings together. Example, we'll declare one more string variable. Let str equal to please subscribe right. Now console.log str.concat string. Let's see the result. We got the result. Please subscribe Aadhiran Tech YouTube channel. Instead of this, you can also use plus operator for string concatenation. I'll show you how. Console.log str plus string. This also will return same thing. This one going to remove white space from either side of the string. Example, console.log string.trim. Okay. Before that, let's add space in the both sides. Alright. Now let's see the result. This function removed all the leading and the trailing spaces in the given string.